PleaseReview allows multiple people to work on the same copy of a document at the same time. So if you've got a document that requires the input of lots of people, this is the tool for you. So how does it work? This tool demonstrates some of the core functionality that will allow you to easily manage the review process. Creating and managing a new review in PleaseReview is straightforward and involves 5 easy steps. Step 1. You simply log in to the PleaseReview system and create a new review. Give it a title, description, and set the deadline for when you want the review completed by. Step 2 is to upload your document. There's no limit to the number of documents you can upload, and these can be in a mix of formats. Just click on the grey box to bring up the document file selector, or drag and drop the documents you want reviewed. It's as easy as that. Similarly, you can specify the type of documents you're uploading. Perhaps some of the documents are for reference only, whilst others are for review. If these documents aren't in the order you want them, drag and drop them into place. Step 3 is to add participants, the people you want to be involved in the review. Again, there's no limit to the number of people you can include in a review. By default, we're adding reviewers. These are people who can only review a document. There are other participant role options, but for the purpose of this tour, we're selecting reviewers. Step 4 is where you set your review options. This includes whether we want to allow users to download a copy of the document, review the document offline, or delegate to a colleague, for example. You can also stipulate whether and how frequently reminders are sent out to participants. Step 5 is where you can check the details are correct and start the review. An automated email invites participants to the review. Simply clicking on the link in the email takes them straight to the review. You can see the document has lots of comments and proposed changes which the reviewers have made. Let's go on to look at how easy it is to manage the comments and proposed changes. To action a proposed change, you simply click on the change and either accept it by clicking on the green tick or reject it by clicking on the red cross. You can also add a reason why you're rejecting a comment. You can now move through the document, accepting and rejecting other proposed changes. If you don't want to move to each comment or change individually, on the toolbar you can use the Accept or Close and Move to Next option. This approach will be familiar to those who understand word-tracked changes. Sometimes there can be more than a single proposed change to the text. In this case, PleaseReview allows you to merge all the changes by simply selecting those you wish to keep. PleaseReview provides you with a comprehensive report containing detail of all activity on the review and can be downloaded and configured in HTML, Word or Excel. The report delivers a full audit trail of the review. You can apply filters to the report, and it can be used, for example, in review meetings to discuss outstanding issues. It's also a valuable record of the review for future reference. When the review reaches its end date, the review owner simply completes the review and can download the reviewed documents. The reviewed documents can be downloaded directly with accepted changes automatically incorporated or customized to show comments and changes. In this way, you automatically have a final document with everything included rather than having to do it manually. We hope this short product tour has been useful.